How to fix Amazon Prime. The video is currently unavailable. So first of all, make sure to sign out from your account and click on this icon. And after you sign out, try to sign in again. So if this is not working, now we will go to the method number 2. And the method number 2 is we will clear the history data. So we will go to settings. Now after that, go to privacy and security. Now click on delete browsing data. Now make sure this is to check all these boxes, and the time range set all the time, and click on clear data. Now, so if this is not working, we will go to the method number 3. The method number 3, go to the icon, this is the extension icon, click on it. Now click on manage extensions. Now make sure to disable all of these or all of the extension that you have on your browser. So if this is not working for you, we will go to the method number 4. The method number 4, go to start on Windows and search for device like this. Device manager, this is, now click on it and go to display adapter. Now click on it. Now it will show the adapters that you have. I will select this adapter. Now right click on it and click on update driver. Search on the driver on that your adapter have, and after you install the or you update the driver, it will fix your problem. So this is how to fix Amazon Prime. This video is currently unavailable issue. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.